In this video, I will show you how to play Battlefield 6 Beta. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. So the Battlefield 6 Open Beta is now available to play, and to get started with this, what you're going to want to do is open up an internet browser. Once you've done that, come across to google.com, and what you want to do is just go ahead and type Battlefield 6 into the search, and then go ahead to give that a search. What we're going to do is select the first option that comes up, which is on the Electronic Arts homepage official website. Once you're on the website, you'll see a screen like this, and you can see we've got the download now button here. So all you need to do is give that a click, and that's going to redirect you to a page like this. Then all you need to do is come to the right hand side and click the red select platform button. And then what you can do is select the platform that you want to download Battlefield 6 Open Beta for. So of course for ourselves, that's going to be EA app for Windows. So we're going to give that a click. Then come over to the right hand side and click the red button to download the EA app for Windows. Once you've downloaded the EA app, what you're going to want to do is run the installer to install the EA app on your PC. So as you can see, we're back on my desktop, and it's just going to take a minute or two to download and install. Once the app has finished downloading and installing, what it's going to do is launch the sign-in screen. So if you do have an existing EA account, of course you can log in with your existing account. If not, you can come down, click create account, and then go ahead and follow the steps to create an EA account. Once you're signed in, you'll be on the home screen for the EA app. At this point, all you need to do is come over to the left hand side, and you should see Battlefield 6 Open Beta showing. So at this point, all you need to do is simply give that a click, and then what you can do, you can see we've got the blue download button. So all you need to do is click the download button, and what this is going to do is bring up a screen like this, so you can choose where to install Battlefield 6 to. You can see the amount of disk space required, which is 39GB, and all you want to do is come down and click next, and then click the download button. As you can see, Battlefield 6 is now downloading, so all you need to do now is simply wait for the game to finish downloading. Once it's done, just come over to the left hand side, click onto library, and you're going to see it will say play from here once the download has finished. So that is how to play Battlefield 6 Beta. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.